Hi everyone. My name is Gopi Chand Reddy. I'm a part of Three's company. Our game's introduction is Mars mission. So basically, we wanted to give user the experience of how it looks when we go live in Mars. So this is our abstract as discussed in the last presentation. The major idea of this is the Elon Musk's idea of living in interplanetary living. So when it comes to interaction, by seeing the growing population, we thought it'll be the near future where we'll be living in another planet or something. So we had to a reference of a game. This is a reference which we wanted to execute. I mean, we had some sketches like this. I mean, creation of domes and doing livelihood inside the domes and stuff. So our outcome is something like this. I mean, we have a space station here, and we started constructing the domes. So we had discussed phases. The phase one is to construct a temporary space station where temporary living and monitoring will take place. This is the entry of the space station. A space station looks like this. When we enter into the game, we'll show you how is the internal this thing. These are screenshots of the inside of the space station. So these are small dorms where people can sleep or something in the initial phases. Our phase two is to construct all these biosphere values and a biodome where people can start living a normal life like in the earth. So we tried achieving some parts of this. These are some of the screenshots of that. We had phase three of constructing buildings, industries, and farming, but we were not able to achieve that. I mean, it we took a bigger scale project, and we were not having time for doing that. These are some extra objects. This is a spaceship or something. This is a Tesla Roadster maybe. It is there in that. So we are using C Sharp. We have all these objects. These are some screenshots of the objects which we used. So I'll show you the game demo. This is how it looks. When we start, game starts inside the space station. So 1 second. Yeah. Ouch. Yeah. This is the starting of the game. So we are on the top floor of the space station. So, um, we are using arrows to control it and a space to create a jump action or something. So these are the DOMs which are there here. So to go to the ground floor, we have steps over here. So here's the ground floor. Uh, so this is the exit of space station. So when we come out, we can see the look and feels of the Mars. I mean, these are the biodomes which we created. We just imported the objects. I mean, this game doesn't have any levels and scoring things. It's just a look and feel which we have given for the Mars. So when we move forward, we have three biodomes which we have created. Our next phase was to get into the biodome and start constructing buildings and farming, which we are not able to achieve. We have placed a rover over here. We have a Falcon heavy rocket over there. Uh, we come this side. We have a roadster something there. So uh, we just tried doing a bigger game, but we just achieved the look and feels of the Mars for now. Um, that is it from our side. Thank you.